This tutorial is a process of painting marigold flower with watercolors. An outline drawing is done, ready to remove the excess amount of graphite. Covering drawing with paper towel and adding water to palette. First mix Indian yellow with a little touch of Winsor Orange. Second mix Indian yellow with Alizarin Crimson. Third mix is Alizarin Crimson with Perylene Maroon. Fourth mix is Sennelier Red with a little touch of Indian yellow. And the fifth, just Perylene Maroon for darker tones. Ready to start painting, covering all flower head with water. This is a small flower head with small petals, and first layer will be applied to the whole flower. And I'm applying lemon yellow. Nothing too complicated here, just don't go over the very edges where the flower head is finishing. Cover it all with a round simple synthetic brush, watery layer of lemon yellow. With a finer tip brush, I'm doing the edges. After finishing with this first layer, need to wait for this layer to dry completely. As the surface is dry, I can start working on the red tone for each petal separately. Taking the color mix of Alizarin Crimson with Perylene Maroon and slowly applying, starting from the middle section of each petal and going towards the edge. Be careful to leave that little space at the edge of each petal, where it's visible in the reference photo that there is a yellowish edge. So apply color and leave it carefully. Working with a fine tip brush, carefully adding this tone to each petal separately. The same method is applied to all petals of this marigold flower head. Everything is completely dry, and now I'm going over with clear Indian yellow color over all petals to make them more orangey and yellowish. This is the third layer to this painting. going over the edges because they are yellow, and Indian yellow is perfect color for this. Finishing layer with round simple synthetic brush and watery color mix of Indian yellow and Winsor orange. I'm smoothing and adding another layer of watercolors. Creates this velvety texture of this marigold flower. As always, you can work further, you can add more details, more separations, more work on the center part. It's all a matter of your patience and how much time you have for this project. Nice little painting practice for mastering botanical painting skills with watercolors. Learned something new as always with each painting, and thanks for watching this. Hope you got something new from this little practice, and see you in my next tutorials. Bye bye. Thank you.